Hello everybody, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna change in a oil pan gasket. I want to show you guys the oil pan gasket right here. Why we run the engine, because we flush the engine before we change a oil pan gasket. And the part number right here, I'm gonna show you guys. And right here, okay, this is a motor flush, and you buy this and you flush your motor before you change your oil pan gasket. You know, you can do that the other way, and if you want to flush your motor away because you're hot mine on your vehicle, and you can flush it. And this one is set clean engine 5 minutes, and you have to run your engine 5 minutes. I think we already run the engine 5 minutes. We're gonna turn it off the engine, and we're gonna go over step by step. Guys, stay tuned, check it out this video, guys. Before we change a oil pan gasket, drain out the oil, and the way that we can get the drain pan. Got the oil pan. I'm gonna tight this one back inside, and we're gonna unloose 10mm bolt right here. Back inside. And we're gonna unloose the bolt. Put on number 10. We got the one right there, and one right there right here, close to the body frame right here. I'm gonna get that out. You already got everything? I'm gonna pry this one out. Now we're gonna clean out the oil pan. We're gonna come back. Now we already got the oil pan out. We're gonna clean that up corner right here a little bit. We're gonna clean it up. Now we're gonna add it onto the glue a little bit. Clean that up. Clean right here. Clean that up right here. We still have a lot of glue right here. See that? They didn't put the vodka gasket because They're made with a glue. Alright guys, this is the back cover. I showed guys our TV gasket. We're gonna sit it 5 minutes. We're gonna let it dry about 5 minutes, okay? And we're gonna go underneath and we're gonna add a little. We're gonna add a little bit the RTV silicone underneath right there, and I'll show you guys how to perform. Because my silicone right here is gone already, guys. Check it out. We're gonna wipe it a little bit. See that guy right here? This way. Okay. I'm gonna add a silicone. Hold it to mount this one right here. This one and the other one right here. Now hold it. This one right here too. We're gonna tie it with the hand tie first, and after that we're gonna go this one, this one, this one, go this one. We're gonna go cross, okay? all over hand tight first. Right. Tighten it down. I'm gonna use my impact wrench a little bit, faster. And it's gonna be one right here. Everything said and done, take it out all the bolt, and you see the gasket come out a little bit outside. That's a good point. One, two, that's right here. See that? Guys, this is how you're replacing a oil pan gasket. And if you guys have any question, please leave me comment section below and stay tuned. Catch up the next video. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell and you're gonna get all notifications. Thank you very much for watching.